Hey Lisa, my name is Brianna from Toriar Digital Marketing, and I appreciate you telling Ashley on the phone that we could send this video over to you guys. We're just making this quick video to show you how to improve your website when you create one so that you can make sure you're bringing in the most customers for free from the get-go. I know you're probably wondering why we're doing this for you guys. It's actually pretty simple. I used to own my own roofing company, and I know that business owners reach a point where they're too busy running their business to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And the only thing holding owners back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who's wasting their time. So we found that by making these free attack plans and giving them away for free, there's still a lot of business owners who end up calling us back and asking us to do this stuff for them. So if after this video you see Ashley and myself have tricks up our sleeves and we could do real good work for you, then you can always give us a call back and we can chat. If you want to take this information and just fix your website yourself, please do. This is free education for you. I'm only going to be talking about 3 things today. That will be content, citations, and backlinks. So this will be a short video for you. I see here, this is your Google My Business or Google Map Pack. This gets ranked obviously locally for wherever your closest geographic location is. What you need to do is you need to have your company contact information put into citations, which are just online directories like like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor. There's a lot. Get them onto as many as you can and make sure that you have more than your competitors by at least 100. That way you can be in the top 3 here, where it's really important to stay because people are lazy and they won't hit view all. Now, you don't have a website showing with this. See here, it doesn't give the option for a website. So if you guys do have one, it is not linked correctly. And if you don't, that's okay. This video is still informative for you. I've actually looked up a keyword your customers are searching, which is roofing contractors Fresno. There's 90 searches happening in your city each month for this. And that's just one term. As you can see right here, there's a large list of searches happening. Roofers Sacramento is getting searched 880 times. Roofing repair Fresno 210 times. So there's a lot of customers out there. And if you're not ranking high enough for just the keywords, you're not going to appear where you need to. And I do see that you guys are right here for the roofing contractors Fresno, which is awesome. If we go down, we can see some websites that are appearing are citations. And then we get to the first actual company that's ranking for this search. And that's Brad's Quality Roofing. So I'll be using them as your competitor. Now, a good rule of thumb is Google, well, actually, I should explain. Google is not ranking sites for appearance. Google is actually using bots called crawlers, which are scanning the website's content to try and find keywords to be ranked for. So the rule of thumb on this is 1,500 words minimum on the homepage and 500 words minimum on any back service pages you guys may have. This allows Google to know that you guys are an expert, and you would be because this is your competitors' limited little content that they have. And the other reason is because you want about 100 words of content for every one keyword. This gives you opportunity to rank for more keywords. Now, I have this tool called Ahrefs that shows on the back end what's happening on a website. So if you guys were to build a website, we would be able to track and see how well you're doing. This is their URL rating. And this is their domain rating strength. So this is caused by the backlinks. Backlinks are when one website online is linking to another site and driving traffic to that site. This is important. Google likes it. It's considered a popularity contest, if you will. And they like to see these sites linking up together. But you need to make sure when you create your website, if you do link, you need to be linking to industry relevant websites, okay? That can be roofing supplies, roofing contractors. As long as it's roofing related and they have a good high ranking, they'll help boost your DR as well. And we want to beat your competitors here. They're ranking for 173 keywords, and I showed you the potential of all the different keywords up here. So you can imagine how they're doing. They're getting 128 traffic monthly. They recently were getting an extra 466, but they're dropping ranking, which is good news for you guys. If you were to get a website, think about that. You could have over 600 traffic each month. Even if you only landed half of those customers, that's still several hundred roofs in a month. Okay? So the potential to grow exponentially is there. The customers searching for you guys online and your services is there. Make sure you look at getting a website because you will see it worth the return on investment. Your business will grow exponentially if you do it. So those are the 3 steps. I'll go ahead and just do a quick recap. To beat your competitors, you want 1,500 words minimum on the homepage, at least 500 words minimum on the back pages. And you can also be saving and uploading images to your website and that Google My Business by changing the image file names to keywords you want to rank for. That's a clever little tip for you. So yeah, any pictures you upload into this, make sure that they're keywords like these that you want to be ranked for and get discovered for. And then you guys want to make sure for your Google My Business to stay in that top slot that you guys are doing, you're going to be wanting to put your company information into online directories or citations, as many as you can. Make sure it's 100 more than your competitors and you'll maintain that spot. And remember, this will change out for whatever keywords we use. So you may be at the top for roofing contractors Fresno, but it may not be for Fresno roofing contractors. There's just a lot of variation. If you guys implement these 3 steps, though, you will be across the board #1 for Google. I know you're probably wondering what to do now. Well, you guys can take these tips and implement them yourselves and build out your own website. That's completely fine. All Ashley and I are really looking for is feedback about your thoughts on the video. And if you do want any help getting this stuff done, or you just don't want to have to worry about it and you want your focus to be on the business and you want to let somebody else handle this and build out a site for you, go ahead and give us a call. We'll have a chat and see if we'll be a good fit together. Thank you so much for watching this video. We're going to have our partner Jeremy follow up with you and get your feedback from it. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.